Coach Tauren, and today we're going to work on the wall slide squat. What you're going to need is a wall that is clear of decorations or anything hanging so that we don't hurt ourselves or break things. I don't have a wall, so I'm going to use this. Let's get started. I want to show you today how we're going to do the wall slide squat. So what you're going to do is, like we usually do, feet a little bit outside of hip width. So just take your feet hip width and then just give them a little turn out and then send your heel out, and that's just outside of hip width distance. So what we're going to do is stand, do a little heel toe, stand just about 1 foot away from your wall. What we're going to do is lean a little bit, and we're going to sit down like we are sitting into a chair, press into our feet, and stand. I'll show you again. Lean back, slide down, push up. Lean back a little so that you can feel your butt tap the wall, slide down, and then push through your feet. All right, time to do our workout. So today's workout is 3 rounds, 10 repetitions with a 1-minute break in between of the wall slide squat. So let's get started. Remember, just outside of hip width, so I'm going to put them underneath my feet, turn my toes out, turn my heels out, and now I'm hip width distance apart, or a little outside. Then you're going to take just 1 foot so that you know that you are the right distance away from your wall. What we're going to do is lean back, slide down, push up through our feet. 1, 2, lean back, slide, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, lean back, slide down, push up, and 10. Today we worked on the wall slide squat and we did 30 repetitions. That's a lot, and it's our first time doing the squat. So of course, before we leave, I want to make sure that we do a stretch. So what I want you to do is step your feet really far out. And then I want you to lean forward, and if you can, touch the ground. If you cannot, you can touch your shins and keep your eyes on the floor. And then hold this for about 30 seconds because your legs might be sore after all those squats. 30 seconds, come up, roll your neck out, give yourself about 10, 20 seconds, and then do it again. Come back next week, ready to soar with plank.